The eyes?
Yeah. Ask for them, like, cute, hot. No, 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 no. Stop. Stop. Okay, wait, I'm gonna be like, well, I think you are. They say we
How
have
old is he?
you get to 10.
Is he really?
So listen to your friends. They wouldn't never let us start. So don't listen to the voices in your head. Listen to your heart. I look like crap. Doesn't have to be too loud. Just whisper. I can find you in a crowd. Okay, not your friend. What? What? The face. There. So don't listen to the they say we're never gonna make it. Don't listen to your friends. They wouldn't never let us start. Who does she like? Brady. It'll set you free. Isn't that pretty sweet, though? I don't know how to spell his last name. You spelled it right. Creep? No, the eyes first.
Really
the eyes worse. The eyes first.
Isn't that what you did?
No.
Oh.
I know we'll make it. Don't listen to your friends. They wouldn't never let us die.
Okay. But why?
No.
It's not working. That's a poor excuse of a heart, Claire.
Yeah. We're cool.